Welcome in this channel. Today I am taking problem based on the prism. Prism, you know, three-sided cover made of glass. Okay, and here before to start prism, I want to say again that glass of we are taking whose critical angle is 42 degree. Okay, the first question is complete the following. How will you find when it is given? The glass is 42 degree and question is given in this way here. Okay, one PQ ray is falling on this surface and this is perpendicular on falling in this. So what will happen? Reflection phenomena will take place or total internal reflection. Here you will see that here. Okay, so here one ray is normally going. When it will go in the glass also, it will not deviate because normally is falling. And you know two conditions are there, either to normally fall or medium will not change. Medium is changing air to glass. So here one possibility is that only normally is falling, so it will not deviate. So what will happen? It will not deviate. To see that, how will we calculate this? See in this diagram now, it is normally going. The same question is normally going, it will not deviate. It reaches up to this point. Okay, when it will reach at this point, again reflection phenomena will take place because here glass is there and it is striking on the boundary line of this prism, and in this side air is there. Now if you will calculate angle, this is 90 degree. Equilateral prism is the given, so we know 60 degree is there. So here it will form your 30 degree. So with normal, this refracted ray for this refracted ray is 60 degree, and this is the incident ray for this surface also. So this 60 degree, which is your 60 degree angle, that is the angle of incidence for this surface, and it was given here, this is the 42 degree critical angle. So here you can say that 60 degree is which is greater than your critical angle. So it will come here total internal reflection. How it will come? See that here. So when total internal reflection will come, so here angle of incidence is 60 degree. So angle of reflection is also 60 degree, and it will reach it there. Now again in this point, at this point, what will we do here? Reflection, how type of reflection will take place? So just try to understand. This is 60 degree and this is normal. Okay, so this is normal, so this will be your 30 degree. This is 30 degree, and this is your what? Angle of prism, and which is your 60 degree. So 60 degree this one, 30 degree this one. So 30 plus 60, 90. So remaining is 90. So it will go normally in this way. So this is the answer. To complete the following, so in this way, when ray PQ is falling on this surface, first it is going for total internal reflection with the base, and then after reflection it is again without deviated reflection phenomena is taking. I hope so you understood. I am taking one more question. In question number 2, here one ray is the same is given PQ. Just try to understand. Here PQ is given here, and earlier it was given यहाँ पे दिया था, it was given here near the base, but now here it was given your near the vertex. Suppose this is your A and this is B and this is your C. So how that the reflection phenomena will take place, here we will study again. It is, we know normally is coming to without any deviation. It will go in the glass and it will come in this way. See students here. So now it is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, so it will come 30 degree. And normal we will draw, so normal means 90 degree, it is 30 degree, so remaining is 60 degree. So now this is the 60 degree, and again which is greater than your I is greater than your critical angle, because IC is given 42 degree. So here again reflection, total internal reflection will take place. 60 degree will form. Okay, here 60 degree will form, here it is 30 degree and 60 degree. तो how will it will come? It will come 60 degree इस तरीके से आएगा कि ये नीचे वाली रे के लिए नॉर्मली जाएगा, वो it will come in this way. You can see here this. Okay, So this is the answer. This is your coming here, and it is coming normally. So question of second, this where the now near the vertex here it is coming in this way, normally it is coming. ओके सो दिस इज़ द योर डिफरेंट टू एंड उसमें जो हमने देखा था और इसमें डिफरेंट. अब एक थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी वन मोर कैन बिकम इफ़ सपोज योर रिफ्लेक्शन फिनोमिना हम यहाँ से देखना चाह रहे हैं ये. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज़ योर कमिंग नॉर्मल टू दिस सरफेस. कीप इन योर माइंड ये नॉर्मल इज गिवन. ओके नाउ what will happen? So before to this happen again, this is your A, this is B, and this is C. So here when we will take A, B, C, and normal is going in this way. So see that when normal will reach here, this. Okay, so normal is going. So normal means it is 60 degree. So this will come 30 degree. It is again 60 degree. 60 degree which is greater than your critical angle. So what will happen? See that here. It will come in this way. 60 degree will form in this way. So this is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. And this is your again 90 degree. So it means it will not deviate and it will come in this way. It will go in this way. So I hope so you understood these three type questions, and you can do practice more and more, draw diagram properly and solve it. It is very simple, it is very easy. If you 2 times you will do, so then you will take not any problem whenever you will do question related to this. And if you having any doubt, so please send me message. Thank you for watching my video.